Good day mga ka-ELS. Let's talk about the perpetuation of life. The perpetuation of life refers to the processes and mechanisms that ensure the continuous existence and reproduction of living organisms and ecosystem over time. It encompasses reproduction, genetic inheritance, evolution, and ecological interaction that sustain life across generations. And also we talk about asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction that does not sex cells or a change in the number of chromosomes. The offspring produced are genetically identical to the single-parent essential clones except for rare mutation. This is a primary method of reproduction for single-cell organisms like archaea and bacteria, but many muscular organisms including plants and some animals also reproduce asexually. Fragmentation is a form of asexual reproduction where an organism breaks into pieces, and each piece can develop into a new independent individual. Example, starfish. If the starfish loses an arm, the arm can be figurated into a new. Starfish provide it has part of a central disk. And next, binary fission. Binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction in which a single cell organism divides into two identical daughter cells. It primarily means the reproduction for prokaryotes, bacteria, and archaea, and some single-celled eukaryotes. The process is relatively simple compared to the more complex cell division mitosis found in eukaryotes. Cell separation. The sepson completes dividing the cytoplasm and forming two separate daughter cells, each with a complex copy of the chromosomes. Three types of binary fission: longitudinal, transverse, at irregular. Halimbawa ng longitudinal ay euglena. Ang katawan nito ay hinahati mula ulo hanggang buntot na nagbibigay ng dalawang magkatulad na daughter cells. Ang halimbawa ng transverse ay paramecium, isang silate na naghahati sa gitna ng katawan upang makabuo ng dalawang magkaparehong anak na silula. At ang halimbawa naman sa irregular ay amoeba. Walang tiyak na hugis kaya hindi symmetrical ang paghahati, ngunit nagre-resulta pa rin ng dalawang magkapareho na anak na silula or daughter cells. Budding. Budding is a form of asexual reproduction in which a new organism develops from an outgrowth or bud on the parent organisms. This process results to the formation of a new individual that are genetically identical to the parent, although there may be some minor variation due to the mutation. The four methods of asexual reproduction is parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis: most animals that procreate through parthenogenesis are small invertebrates such as bees, wasps, ants, and aphids. In sexual reproduction, we have oviparous and viviparous. First, oviparous. Oviparous refers to the animals that reproduce by laying eggs that develop and hatch outside the mother's body. Second, viviparous. Viviparous derived from the Latin words vivus or alive, and prior to the bring forth describe animals that give birth to live young, as opposed to laying eggs or oviparous.